If your hardwired or battery-free smoke detector is chirping, it indicates a fault, not a low battery. This chirping often stems from issues like low voltage, dust accumulation, end-of-life signals, or faulty components like capacitors. Low voltage from wiring issues can cause chirping every 30 to 60 seconds. Dust buildup on sensors triggers false chirps. Detectors signal replacement after 8 to 10 years. Issues like bad capacitors cause faults. Recent data shows a rise in recalls for hardwired detectors due to such faults. Don't disable or ignore the chirping. It's a safety cue. These detectors are vital, saving over 2,500 lives annually in the US. Smart detectors are reducing the amount of false alarms. To safely address chirping in battery-free smoke detectors, first turn off the power to the detector at the breaker. Next, inspect the wiring for loose connections or corrosion that could cause the chirping. Gently clean the sensors with a vacuum to remove dust buildup that may trigger chirping. Test the detector by pressing the test button. If it chirps continuously, the unit needs replacement. Remember, tampering with or disabling the detector is dangerous and illegal. For persistent issues, consult a certified electrician or the manufacturer. Smoke detectors should last 8 to 10 years. A chirp may signal end of life. Prioritize fire safety and replace faulty units promptly.